program. Had the turret changing, spindle is running. It's plastic, what we cut here. It's hard to see why the door needs to be closed during the machining operation.
Shut the water off.
And if we have water running, we shut that off.
It's going to come out and it's going to center drill.
Center drill here. And it's very nice, CTX400 Gildemeister.
Smooth that thing runs?
Yeah, it's very smooth, that's correct. Yep, it's very nice.
Okay, so now I can't...
21IT control.
Right, I can't...
Move the tailstock here. Chip converter, CTX400 Gildemeister Series 2. Fan up 21IT control.
One station VDI 30 turret.
VDI 30 turret.
Right, that was an option.
And again, direct drive spindle, no belt. It's a direct drive spindle.
Jog it. And like I say, there's the 10-inch chuck for it over there, and then we got the 25C pallet adapter that's there right now.
That would come with the machine.
Well, I would think it'd almost have to. It's made for it with the drawbar extension and everything.
Right, right.
You know what I mean?
Fits that machine.
Yeah, and that's a SFW auto block chuck.
All right. It's over here.
Right.
That's okay. Well, let's turn the spindle.
Yeah, let me... jog it. And like I say, there's the 10-inch chuck for it over there, and then we got the 25C pallet adapter that's there right now.
That would come with the machine.
Well, I would think it'd almost have to. It's made for it with the drawbar extension and everything.
Right, right.
You know what I mean?
Fits that machine.
Yeah, and that's a SFW auto block chuck.
All right. It's over here.
Right.
That's okay. Well, let's turn the spindle.
Yeah, let me...